Almost heavy. Oh my god, I can't do it.
Whiskers!
Till I got rest on me, rest on me, rest on me. Till I got rest on me, rest on me, rest on me. Till I got rest all on me, rest all on me, rest on me. Till I got rest all on me, rest all on me, rest on me.
Alright, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And by that title, we're doing a what's in the box challenge. I never did this on my channel. So, yeah, we got it's 4 of us going. How we're gonna do it is it's 4 of us, and then me and her. I'm gonna do her items, and she's gonna do my items, and then the other 2 are gonna go like that. So.
Look at this dude.
Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my social media down below. And let's get into this video. No! What? Jonas, what items in? Wait, me? I go with Jonas' items?
Wait, but she knows most of my items.
She knows yours?
She knows like 3 of them.
All of them? Oh, wait, I kind of forgot.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so you do it, Malaya.
Oh, boy, I don't care. You do Jonas' items. Come on. I'm not. Oh, yeah.
You look like you're small.
Never really. She got
I got no forehead. I got no forehead.
Are you my eyelash is gonna be jacked.
Okay, so the first item's in there.
Alright, I'm gonna do some go straight.
You only get
better not be no poo.
Krista, you only get 3 tries to guess it right.
Okay, go ahead. I forgot that thing. Oh, what is that? That's a leaf.
How many tries you got? Let's get the box moving. 3. Don't knock it out.
Why is it floppy?
It's moving.
No, someone's right there.
Krista, come on. You gotta guess. What do you think it is? Is it Princess Fur? She got. So you don't know.
Wait, what the fuck are you doing?
Just.
Oh, I don't know what that is.
Oh, that's nasty.
Oh, that's a sock.
It's
not a sock.
Krista, think.
It's a little dusty thing.
Maybe.
Okay.
We don't know.
Oh, it's a dusty thing.
Yeah, you lucky it was clean.
Was it my item next or no? Somebody else's. No, we're just gonna do all 3 back to back. Okay, for the same person. Oh,
This is gonna be
Gucci beard.
holy, so pretty.
Oh yeah, you're laughing. What is that?
Oh my god.
Go ahead, Krista. Holy. I'm scared. Look at that. She done knocked the plate out. Stand here. Don't knock it out. We're gonna knock it out.
Oh my god, it's a fly.
Oh, Jummy touched it.
I shouldn't believe.
That's a grape. That's a grape.
Mm-hmm. Don't take it off. Last one.
Alright. Oh.
Screw had the whole bag in her hands still.
What is that? Is that a wasp nest crispy thing? Yeah.
Yeah, there's a wasp still in there. It's still in there.
This a wasp nest? Yes.
Yeah, all the eggs are getting in the
Oh, Joey's turn.
Oh god. Be quiet putting it in there.
Because I can't believe you holding that.
Bro, you're taking up the entire camera.
Oh, fuck no.
We should don't get a box up.
Hold on now for that thing to run out. Oh, fuck no. This shit better not be alive.
Okay, go ahead, sit there.
This thing is so nervous.
I'm scared!
Okay.
She's shaking.
That's so funny. Oh my god.
Stop it. Get some help.
And it fell off the plate.
Oh fuck no. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, is it a frog? Oh my god, it's not a lizard, is it? Ooh, a brush.
Oh, nope, that's one.
The little floor scrubber thingy.
Yeah, I think so.
I tried all this.
Alright, go.
Well, you can't even see her hair. It look like she just got a poop rocks.
Oh god. Oh, this ain't shit. What's them things with the trees? I can't think of that.
Anyway.
Pine cone. That.
Yeah, totally.
Alright, go ahead.
Oh my god.
Oh heck.
Is that Milo in there? Okay.
The fuck? Ooh, hell no. That shit came out the hole.
That was funny. Oh my gosh, I can't.
It's legit CC though.
What the fuck?
Oh my gosh.
Freaking flower.
That's all things. I didn't think about the whole. You want to do it since you got eyelashes on?
Yeah. You just opening it, right?
I don't know. You tell me.
Stop it. Get some help.
He's not that serious. Isn't that live, right?
No.
Please. I can go in it?
Yeah, go ahead.
She's slow.
Woo! Am I close?
No.
You're nowhere near. It's at the bottom.
Okay. Oh!
It's big.
Oh my god, I can't do it.
She tries to fit in there.
Oh, I'm sweating.
Yep.
Oh my god, I can't do it. What the freak? Bro, it's not coming by me.
It's not a lie.
I'm so scared. What is that? Oh! Is it a dish?
What? What the fuck?
Get up! What the heck? Why is it like that?
6.5 hours later.
What is it? What the fuck is it's a shell?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh.
That girl been about.
Dang!
No, keep it on, keep it on, keep it on.
That's what long one.
Okay, next object.
So did you pick it up?
Yeah.
You put it in there?
Or maybe like how to like get the box and throw it in there.
If you don't touch it, I know it's something. It's light. Oh god. Oh! Is it live?
No.
Okay.
Nothing.
Oh! That don't feel right. Oh! Shit. No, no. I say lift it.
Your brain. It's your brain that tells you that.
Oh my god. What is this? Oh, I got teeth.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh my god.
I don't like that feeling. Mmm. Oh, what is that? Oh, no. She got a bowl or something. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, I don't like that. It's something outside?
Mm-hmm.
It's a pine cone?
Yeah.
Oh. Mm-mm. That thing had teeth for me.
All right, Emily, go ahead.
Oh, hell no.
Please don't be alive. None of this stuff alive, right?
Oh, no.
That's the only thing I'm worried. That thing bite me. Oh my god.
Go down a little farther, a little farther, a little farther.
Right
No,
there.
the other way. The other way. No, no, no. The other way.
Right there, down.
Down.
Oh no, forget it.
Just go down.
What is that?
Don't play. This is super something. Why is it hard? What's that? Oh, that's a crab.
Where the fuck is gonna get a crab?
Oh, God, it moved. It moved. Okay.
Yep.
What is it? What's that? Oh, no, I don't like that. Oh, my, none of this. This is a piece of a tree?
Yeah.
Oh.
Get all of them. Okay, this one I'm gonna have to have you close your ears.
Oh, you got another one?
Ears?
Oh, I don't like that.
So I need you to go like la 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 la, or go into the bathroom.
Oh, because the noise, like if you hear it, you're gonna give it off. It's gonna give it off. What it is?
Oh my god.
I'm scared. What is it?
Poop in my bowl.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
I'm scared. What is it? It's not alive, right?
No.
That will get you back. Oh boy.
This one's really, really small.
This is steep.
You're gonna have to touch the plate a little bit.
It stink.
Go ahead.
It just stink.
It don't stink.
Like, I don't like them just bumps.
Oh!
It's gonna get worse. I'm scared.
It's below.
Right here?
Lower. It's like low, low. It was lower than the
Is
tree
it a
bark.
crumb? Oh god. Oh god.
There's a plate touched.
It's not alive, right?
No.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, it is alive.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Why is it not coming to me?
Because you gotta go to it.
You literally keep missing it.
In the middle, in the middle.
Bruh, look at this dude.
In the middle, in the middle.
She literally keeps almost touching it. Okay. What is this, bro? Oh! He touched it?
Yeah, that's shit.
Look, perfume. Oh my god, what is it? What is it? What is it?
That's princess. I put perfume on it. Okay, so it's like mix up cat litter a little bit. And something else.
It's like lotion.
No,
Cat
yeah, I
litter.
put perfume on it.
It's perfume and lotion?
No, I put perfume on cat litter.
Uncut.
Oh god.
No, I'm just kidding. No.
What is it?
No, you gotta guess though.
I'm scared to smell it. Oh. It's not poop, right?
No.
Oh my god, what is it? It's some type of food? Isn't it? What the fuck? Come here, let me put it on your face. I can't smell it. It smells like perfume or lotion.
Well, feel it again. Feel it again.
Oh no.
Why not? It's not nasty.
Oh god.
Want me to give it to you?
No, wait, hold on.
I think that counts.
You sure?
I think
I'm
so.
trying to think. Face stuff?
Yeah.
Face scrub.
Okay, now it's my turn and I'm gonna have extreme anxiety.
Oh my god.
Okay. No, I'm not going.
I know, that's how I felt. Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
Okay.
There's something alive.
It's
so
like
it
what's in
should
your
be-
mind, like you feel like it's something that's gonna get you.
Just picture it. You already know what the book.
I can't.
It's in your mind. Just touch it. Yeah. Even though it's inside the house, it's gonna bite you. Yep. It's called Callie, and she's getting her revenge.
Was it rats?
That's all.
Yeah.
If you do, I'm picking it up and throwing it at you. So I bought that yesterday. It cost about like 300K.
I put it in there.
Billion, trillion.
Go ahead and go.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah, it's
Why
weird.
have two hands?
What? You're weird.
Go ahead.
You do not.
What the fuck?
She would have been moving.
Yeah, she would have fell, bust her head on the table, and turn into. You have anxiety. Okay.
What is it?
Okay, you.
God!
You can all red up.
It's fucking the cat.
No, the cats don't feel like that. The cats have
That's
fur.
one strike.
The teddy bear.
The teddy bear?
That's not a teddy bear.
Is that?
You're stupid. That's obviously
Yeah, it is teddy bear.
It is.
It is.
dog.
That feel like humans.
It's a dog teddy bear.
This is not right. This is not cool.
Alright. Get into it.
Good.
Stop, buddy.
Yankee would win.
Whiskers, whiskers.
Whiskers. Yep. Totally.
No.
You look like you want to kill it. If it was alive, you're killing it right now. You probably would have ran away from you.
I'm not doing this.
Yeah, it's actually a rabbit that is trying to nibble one. No,
It's heavy.
you must be weak.
Bro, I can't.
You haven't even touched it for 1 millisecond. You haven't touched it for 3 seconds.
Buddy, you're talking too much. They can feel like you weird.
You ever sit to my face? Yeah,
Oh,
fuck off.
I keep missing this, bro. I have to pee over.
broke the blade. You cracked it. You cracked your XR? Jeez. I was like,
What is it?
Daniel, pull it out. The whisker.
yeah, Mr. Whiskers is in there. Boy, call you right. Yeah, I said
What is
she.
that? I felt ear.
I don't know. What is that?
Yankee with Brent.
Why does it look like that?
It's not alive. That's
Oh
all
my
that
god, that's legit Cece's fur.
matters. It's not alive, okay?
Yeah, it's not a lie.
Oh my god, Emily's first socks. First shoes.
Oh, yeah. Okay, one more thing.
That's 4.
Alright, it's in there.
Ain't no way. You won't even come back.
Is it used? Is it
You
used?
won't even much put it in here.
I should put
It's
you,
a
but
snake.
that was funny. Oh, should I get some?
No. I'm quit. I'm walking off stage. Leah, what are you doing over there? Leah, no.
Do not.
No.
That's too.
Oh,
No.
no.
Oh my god,
No.
that stinks.
No.
Gloves on. Gloves on. 3-inch gloves. I don't care. I don't care.
Wait.
No, something moved.
Yeah, that was you
I'm not
touching.
doing this.
Yo, you're not faster. You're not faster than a snake. You're not faster than a cat. You're faster than. So, like,
It's an apple.
No.
you haven't even touched it. You touched the
You
plate.
didn't even touch it, dude. That's too.
Dude, you didn't even touch it, man. Man.
It's not alive?
No.
Yo,
Yo, one
touch
more-
the
yo,
plate.
one more
Touch the
try,
plate.
so use it wisely.
she's touching the plate. That's a.
It's a rag.
And
That's
no.
not an answer?
No.
Fine, but you're not really fine.
Oh god, what am I touching? Enough. A diaper. Are you kidding?
Got the first item going in there.
You're putting it in there, Joey? I see you, Joey.
Go ahead. You see? That's not good.
I can barely see, yo, and the
Put your
box
hand.
not facing.
Boy, you got all that smack talking. Let me see. Go straight to it.
I can't see.
Look at that. Look at
Wait, is anything alive?
that. No. See how he was? You want to talk?
Just make everything clear. No poop, nothing alive.
No.
Wait. Shut. Is it small or big?
Big. Yeah, it's big. It's big, but it's light. So tricky.
It's obviously not moving. It's not alive. And I don't know what I touched with my left hand.
Okay.
Am I getting closer? Where is it?
Right there, next to your finger.
What is this? What is this?
Guess. You gotta
I
guess.
don't have eyes on my finger.
You only got 3 guesses. You can't think of nothing. It's in your hand. You can't tell what it is.
No.
Okay, so you want to do next item?
Can I see what it is before?
Yeah, go ahead. Couldn't get a leaf, dude?
Yo, what type of leaf is that?
A big leaf. Is
This is
dead.
an old dead leaf.
Alright,
I never
next
felt a
item.
dead leaf. I only
I
saw
got it right here.
Alright, put your hand in it. Put your hand in it. Put your...
Okay, it wasn't alive.
It's small, so you gotta go down.
I don't pick things off the floor. Oh my god.
Is it hot? Did you touch it yet?
No.
Touch it.
It's little. Okay, so you touched it, so that means I can touch it. I touch dead animals.
Stop it. Get some help.
My death hand?
What?
It was weird. It's like a shell of something.
A model, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, that counts.
Wait.
Oh,
Oh.
that was lucky.
Yeah, it's wet.
Yeah, you're like one of those scared of bugs things, so touch it. No way. Oh. This is one of those things up on there. Like the little people thing. That's homes. What is this? A TP house? A house? Something on it.
Yeah.
There's a hole.
It is?
Wait till you see the.
Dead. Jeez, it is.
Yeah, I got a camera flip, so you can't see what it is.
You're staring dead at the camera. Oh, that light thing you punched!
Yep.
Excuse me? No. Yeah, I'm the smartest. I guess I'm the fastest. Actually.
If y'all enjoyed that video, like this video, comment, subscribe. Whose was the funniest? 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'll see you on my next video.